All rise, courts.
I need my privacy.
You put my clients through emotional torture.
Never have your parents sent you out for a strip of kids.
You made them lose self-confidence. What kind of a father are you?
Sustained.
No further questions, my lord.
Hello and welcome to Kid One TV. My name is Jeremiah. Our story today is about children's role in building family cohesion. We're going live to our reporter Zara at Kids Law Court.
We are here live at Kids Law Court, where kids sue their parents for denying them proper maintenance. What brings you here to court?
Toys!
Hello, one after the other.
Toys!
Educational parts.
PS5.
For me, it's more than just toys and PS5.
We moved into a smaller apartment and I need my privacy. Dad said I'll go to a private university, but here I am, still in 100 level for 2 years, in a federal university. My secondary school mates are in 300 level in private universities. I just want my old life back.
Best wishes in court. More to come right after this.
All rise, courts. KDKL 2205 between Oluwatife Ademola versus Mr. and Mrs. Ademola Jacob. My lord, parties are present.
You may sit. Representations.
Respectfully, my lord, KD Musa Esquire. My representation is for the claimant, my lord.
Standing before this honorable court is IT upon SQ. My representation is for the defendant.
My lord, my clients are Victor Ademola, 7 years old, Precious Ademola, 10 years old, Tero Ademola and Kende Ademola, 15 years old. Suing through their guardians, Boluwatife Ademola, 19 years old. They are children to Mr. and Miss Jacob, who has denied them the proper maintenance without any known cause to my clients.
Defense counsel, your statement.
My lord, my clients are the parents to the claimant. They are in shock by this lawsuit, as they have done all within their means to give their children proper maintenance, although their children are rude, resentful, and ill-tempered.
Have all necessary processes pursuant to this suit been filed?
Yes,
my lord.
You may now call in your witnesses.
My lord, I would like to call Boluwatife to the witness stand. I swear to say the truth.
I swear to say the truth,
The whole truth.
the whole truth,
But nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
What is your name?
My name is Boluwatife Ademola.
How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
What position are you in the family?
I'm the first child of my parents.
How were things at the past and present?
Prior to now, we lived in a very comfortable life. We could afford both the basic things of life as well as a little bit of luxury. We were comfortable, but everything changed. Anytime we make demands, it always comes with a mouth slash of how we are spoiled and all. My younger siblings are not as joyous as they used to be. We no longer have access to what we once really had, not even a basic DSTV subscription. My siblings can no longer watch their favorite cartoon channels. We don't have new smartphones, clothes and shoes, game consoles, or family vacation and hangout.
No further questions, my lord.
Since things changed back at home, how many square meals do you have per day?
3 square meals.
You and your siblings have enough clothes, am I right?
We have clothes, but they are not enough.
You and your siblings have a roof over your head, am I right?
Yes, we do. We have a roof over our head, but I, for instance, no longer have my privacy.
You and your siblings still go to school?
Yes, of course. My siblings still go to school, but I've been at home for months as a result of the strike.
Never have your parents sent you out on the street walking?
Never.
That's all for now, my lord.
Defense counsel, you may now open your case.
My lord, I would like to call up Mr. Ademola Jacob to the witness stand. What is your name and how old are you?
My name is Ademola Jacob and I'm 45 years old.
What is your relationship with them?
They are my children.
How have things been recently?
Quite patchy, but in all, I do my best. I give them my best.
Describe what you mean by best.
I provide food, shelter, clothing. I pay their school fees. And they all have medical insurance.
Are you employed and what is your salary range?
Currently, I'm self-employed. I'm a driver with Uber. I earn over 280,000 monthly. And I also earn 3 million naira annually from the lease of our house in Lekki Phase 1. And that goes to the payment of the children's school fees.
What was your previous employment?
I was a pilot with Cool Air. I did 5 years domestic flight and 4 years international flight.
Why are you no longer with Cool Air?
I was dropped in 2020 when the airline downsized 50% of their workers as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic.
How has your family adjusted to life since then?
It has been quite a change of fortune. We have to lease our house in Lekki Phase 1 and relocate to Sombo Tedo with an affordable rent. The kids' school also changed and I have to cut down vacations, gifting and the rest. I even have to sell some of my properties to take care of the family needs.
Have you been applying to get your job as a pilot back?
Yes, I have. My licenses are up to date and I've applied to different airline operators.
No further questions, my lord.
Did you promise my clients the following? A toy car, educational pad, new phones, new clothes and shoe, Christmas vacation to Disney World in America, a bigger house with separate rooms in them, to school in a private university?
Yes, I did.
Then why haven't you fulfilled your promise to them?
My current financial situation handicapped me, but that doesn't mean they have to be rude and even refuse doing house chores.
Did you inform my clients about your financial situation?
No, I didn't.
You put my clients through emotional torture and mental stress. They couldn't understand what was happening to the lives they were born to and have become used to. You never prepared them or communicated the reasons for these recent challenges. You made them lose self-confidence. They felt inferior to other kids. What kind of a father are you?
Objection, my lord, badgering the witness.
Sustained.
No further questions, my lord.
Mr. and Mrs. Ademola, I'd like to briefly state 5 ways you can talk to your kids about financial difficulties by Abby Watts. 1. Talk to your children about what caused the change in family finances and what you are doing to address it. Number 2. Discuss lifestyle and spending changes that may be necessary. Number 3. Let older children sit and plan the family budget. Number 4. Accentuate the positive. Number 5. Assure them that you are in this together.
Okay, my lord.
Your oldest kid is 19, right?
Yes, my lord.
Get her involved in planning the family budget.
Okay, my lord.
Young lady, believe in yourself. Don't give room for self-doubt or inferiority complex. Stand in the gap for your parents and show a good example to your siblings. They look up to you as the first. Don't be rude or ill-tempered to your parents, okay?
Yes, my lord.
You can submit your CV. I'll reference you to some airline operators that I know of. Hopefully you get to fly again.
Thank you, my lord.
That's okay. Section 18, subsection 2A and B of the Child Rights Law states that a child shall work for the cohesion of his family, respect his parents, superiors, and elders at all times, and assist them in case of need. Also, the court finds that the kids have received proper care and maintenance in accordance with the extent of the parents' current means. Therefore, this suit is dismissed and there are no orders as to cost. This is the judgment of the court.
Kid Monsters, more than just kids.
Cheers for 2 cause I'm singing for you. 3, 4, please stay informed. Keep marching forward, I need you at the top. Love and unity is what we really need. If we work as a team, we're gonna do something big. Love and unity is what we really need. If we work